So I'm going to be using the weed spinner attachment to put on my drill. If you haven't used one of these before, you just put it inside your drill right here like this. Once you get it tightened down, then you're good to go. And then you take this tip and you put it down into the gravel, into the weeds. And then you turn your drill on to twist it around. My name is Jason, by the way, and my channel is called That Hobby. I make home improvement and product reviews. If you like that kind of thing, like, subscribe, follow, and all that good stuff. All right, let's get back to work and check out this weed spinner. These things are always running out of stock on Amazon. They have another product that Amazon recommends. It's called the Weed and Till. It's about the same price. Right now, these are both about $29. These things are really nice. You don't have to get down on your hands and knees to pull the weeds, and they'll save your back from having to bend over. The only problem so far is when you flip the direction, this should come loose, but it doesn't really come loose. So you kind of got to pull it off of there by hand. Alright, it looks like the weed spinner is doing a great job. I'll use it for a while and then I'll make an update video. I think the plan for this area is I'll get it the best I can with this weed spinner, and then I'll get out the flamethrower and finish it off. That'll be a good video. So make sure you like and subscribe and follow and all that good stuff, because that's going to be a good one.